Tired of your amazing digital creations just sitting on your hard drive? Let's turn those files into cash with Bigcartel. First, head over to bigcartel.com and sign up for a free account. Pick a plan that suits your needs. The free plan is perfect for beginners. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Products tab. This is where the magic happens. Click Add a Product to start listing your digital goodies. Now, fill in all the details. Give your product a catchy title. Write a compelling description that highlights its value, choose a category, and set a price that reflects its worth. Upload a high-quality image that showcases your digital product. This is what will grab potential customers' attention. Consider creating mock-ups to show how your product can be used. This is the crucial part for digital products. Look for the Add File button or similar option to upload the actual digital file that customers will receive. Make sure it's the correct file type and size. Since you are selling a digital product, disable any shipping options. Customers will receive their files instantly upon purchase. Double-check all the information, and then click Save. Your digital product is now listed on your Bigcartel store. Promote your Bigcartel store link on social media and watch the sales roll in. Start turning your digital creations into profit today.